Thank you for supporting me and my PAP team all these years. You know us well. Please vote for us again. We will do our best to improve your lives. And to all voters, I ask for your support for the PAP teams in constituencies across Singapore. We are in a changed world with turbulence all around. So there is much at stake in this election. Your votes will determine your future and your children's future. Please vote for the PAP. We will go all out to secure a brighter future for all of you.